Hello, dear creatives. Welcome to Simswot Online Flower Class. My name is Oluyinka Oduobi. I'm excited to be here again. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining me in the class. Yes, another circle. Yes, another circle. The measurement is still the same thing. I'm using 15. It's because I know that we all love big flowers. Don't worry. I'm still going to be using other smaller flowers. It's easier for you now to use any measurement once you have an idea how the big flower looks like. That is why for now I'm using big flowers, but later on I might be using bigger flower than this, or I might be using smaller flowers. So you're welcome. In this particular one, I've done the smaller version, but I just said, let me show you if you want to use more, add more flowers to, add more petals. That's the correct word. Add more petals to the one of shorter ones for you that love something big. So now what we're going to do is to fold it as we've been folding. So if you have not seen the videos I've been doing, it's I will say you should please go and check my other videos. So it's from the normal circle, and which will fold into half and fold into half. Is either you pin or you bone. You can pin it, you can bone. So I'm going to use two big ones of the same size, which is the 15, and the smaller version I'm using 9.5. This is 9.5. So the first two, I'm using 2 of 15, 2 of 15, yes, 2 of 15, then 1 of 9.5. Then I do the same thing. So now what I'm going to do is, well, this one doesn't matter actually. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make sure it back each other. The first one I did, I made it face each other. But this one, no, I made it face one side. They are facing one side. But this particular one I'm doing now, I'm going to let it back each other like this. Then roughly like 1 inch, can you see, 1 inch, I will overlap it like this and put this one. It can now face whichever direction you want it to face. Yes, it can face whichever direction. So now I'm just going to let it face this direction. Then you pin it like this. So this is what you are expected to see at the end before you now pin. This one, I've started doing a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8, and this is 9. So for you to see that even if you want to make it bigger, you can always do it bigger. So now what am I going to do? I'm going to start passing running stitch. Are you on Telegram? Please, if you're on Telegram, go and search for Simswot Fascinator Community. Simswot Fascinator Community. This is the spelling of my Simswot. SIMSWORTH. So Simsworth Fascinator Community, and that is where I just opened for people that are on Telegram and that you want to send me pictures of for me to correct you. So I you can go and search there and follow me from there. Follow me and post. The community is strictly for you to post the videos that I have done. Only the videos that I have done. And of course, I'm going to also be posting the same videos there. So you are free to watch. Tell your friends, tell them to join those that have the same interest with us. That is why I say we creative people. Send it to them, let them join the class. So now I've finished doing that and I'm going to pull. Remember that the center of what you want to do will determine what you're putting inside for the finishing. So now I'm going to just tighten. I have my ever foam that I'm going to use. So I'm going to tighten well. So on on Telegram, on the link, you can ask me any question you want to. For you that will say you're not on Telegram, you are only on Facebook, I'm also going to open a Facebook page, which I will tell you later. I'll link it so that you two can join and ask me the same thing. Same, and you can post your videos, your pictures, your ideas, and can you see? So I'm just trying to show you that you can. I want to do something. Let's look for where we joined, where we started from. Yes, okay. So now what you do is bring one up, bring one down, bring one up, bring one down, bring the other one up, bring one down. Can you see what I'm doing? Bring one down and bring one up. Can you see what I'm trying to do? So that everything will not be too rowdy. So you bring one up, the other one is going down. Make sure the one up is still up. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Can you see what I've just done? So this is something like this that we want to achieve so that everything will not be too rowdy down. So now I'm going to use this, a gold ever foam. That's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to put my gum carefully. So still then I tuck this in. I start tucking it in. Then what I want to do is I need to cover this place. I need to cover it. So I'm going to cover this place first. Yeah, yeah. So now see what we're having. Then this period, I'm going to use a bigger Alice band because the flower is big. So I'm going to do the usual way I've always been doing. No, this notching is going to be big now because of the big Alice band. So as usual, I know you should get it by now. You push it in and push it upwards, especially to where you want it placed. Spread it out very well. Okay, so your UHU gum now. No, your glue gun. Sorry, your glue gun. Carefully. You will see that all these flowers that I'm doing, the designs I'm doing are all simple and lovely. So this, I turn it like this. I also quickly put so that it will be able to gum very firmly. And you gum. You start pressing down. Then you can now adjust this. You remember what we were doing before. So adjust so that it's not everything that will be up and it's not everything that will be down, and it won't choke it up. So that's why we decided that we should do a bigger version, and then you adjust it well. Please always make sure you adjust very well and you clean out. You will have been seeing that because I'm always very careful, we rarely see any rough edges. So you do likewise. Don't be in a hurry. In flower making, you should not be in a hurry because you want your finishing to come out really lovely. And that's why you see that even if you come to my office, my finishing is always very neat, which I'm so proud of myself. So if you still need to put one or two of the glue, you can adjust, do it, adjust. And so this is the end of the class. I hope you are also happy joining the class, and I hope you love the flower class again. Thank you so much for joining the class. I really, really appreciate you. Thank you. I hope you love it. Thank you. See you in the next class.